Understanding the Soldering Station, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a technical but interesting phrase, soldering station. Whether you're into electronics or just curious about new English terms, this video is for you. Let's dive into what a soldering station is, its components, and how it's used in everyday language. A soldering station refers to a specific set of tools used for soldering, which is the process of joining two or more items together by melting and putting a filler metal into the joint. The station typically includes a soldering iron, a stand, a sponge, and sometimes a control unit. Soldering is commonly used in electronics and metalwork. 1. Soldering iron. This is the primary tool used for melting the solder. It's a handheld device with a metal tip that heats up. 2. Stand. The stand is where you place the hot soldering iron when not in use. It's important for safety. 3. Sponge or cleaning wire, used to clean the tip of the soldering iron. 4. Control unit. Not always present, but it allows you to adjust the temperature of the soldering iron. Soldering stations are essential in electronic repairs and crafting. They are used in 1. Creating circuit boards, joining components on a PCB, printed circuit board. 2. Repairing electronics, fixing broken connections in gadgets like smartphones or radios. 3. Jewelry making, soldering metal pieces together in jewelry design. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios. I spent the afternoon at the soldering station repairing my headphones. In our electronics class, we learned how to use a soldering station safely. That's all about the soldering station. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a soldering station is, its components, and how it's used both in technical fields and in everyday language. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful English learning content. Stay curious and keep learning.